What's up guys, my name is Jason, I'm with Outlet Games. Today we're going to be putting together this Tornado T-3000 foosball table. I printed off the instructions here from Dynamo. We'll link this in the description of the video for you. Apparently all I'll need to do this is a hammer, a Phillips head screwdriver, a wrench, and a box cutter to open the boxes here. This is my first time doing this. I've got some helpers on site. We'll see how this goes. So the first thing we got to do is lay this thing flat on the ground. Thank you. Let's move it forward. Okay. All right, let's take a look. So a couple things going on in here. First of all, you can see we laid cardboard on top of carpet here. We just don't want to do any dents to the outside of the table itself. There's legs inside here that we have to remove. There's also the coin installation, a bunch of foosballs, and markers to keep score with. Put all those to the side for now, and then we'll get these legs out and put them in place. Oh, yeah. Keys are taped to the bottom of the rolling guide. Two things here. Number one, this screw goes from the inside out if you're installing the coin operated mechanism. Number two, there's this box here. You won't be able to get at the bottom screws in the coin operated mechanism unless you unlatch this key, and then you can pull that box out and get your screwdriver in. Some fun, and this is the fun part here. You just roll the balls into the device that spins. Little metal canister there. Rapid time. Cool. Okay, so we've successfully installed our money mechanism, and we're just going to give it a quick test out. What should happen is this thing should flip over. There's a little dial down here at the bottom that shows the number of times that coins have been inserted in, if you're interested in keeping track of that. So if we push this, you'll see that it all drops in, flips over, and the balls fall out. Obviously they shouldn't go back into the table, but that's why we're going to install the ready ramp. So putting the ready ramp in is as easy as just dropping it into place. And then there's a prop stick that goes down just to secure it. Okay, pretty soon we're going to be putting the top on this thing, but it recommends before you do that to open the locks on both sides here to avoid damaging them. So before we put the top on, we're going to put this in place again. This is just the ramp to put it into the track that carries it down into our flipping mechanism here. Oh yeah. Look at those little foos guys. Same. Awesome. Yeah, so we've got the top on now, and we're just tightening some bolts on the end. Couple nuts that you put on. Last bag, got what keeps our score in here and some screws. So we'll open this up and install it quickly. All right, your table's gonna come with a little ball of grease. Just take a rag or some paper towel and just very small amounts, grease it up. All right, now we've built our table. That was my first time. If I had to recommend you anything, a socket wrench would really make this a lot easier. That's probably what took the most amount of time. All in all, I'd say it took us about 45 minutes to do this, even with running into a couple little snags along the way. And now we get to play, so let's go. Oh!